Page number 99, question number 4. Use of following data to find the median salary of employees. Also find the lower limit of richest 20% employees. Underline this. First, let's find the median salary, then we will go to find the lower limit of the richest 20 employees. Now, let's write the question. Salary in 1,000 rupees. 5 or more. 10 or more. 15 or more. 20 or more. 25 or more. 30 or more. Number of employees 120, 117, 106, 76, 31 and 12. Now this data over here is a more than type cumulative frequency data. More than type है. So पहले हमें इसको convert करना पड़ेगा into normal. So we have class 5 or more. So first class will be 5 to 10. Okay. So 5 to 10, 10 to 15, 15 to 20, 20 to 25, 25 to 30, and 30 or more. 30 or more, because 30, it can be 30, 25, 40, 45, 50, 55, anything. There is no limit. Now, a sum like this, can we find the mean? No, we cannot, because this is an open-ended class. 30 or more is an open-ended class. There is no boundary to it. 30 से ज़्यादा, it can be any number. So we cannot find the mid value. Hence we cannot find the mean. Understood this? So whenever open-ended classes are there, over here, it can be less than 5. Over here, 30 or more. 30 or more. We have to go for measures of central tendency too. That is median, quartile, decile, percentile. But we cannot find mean. So it is one of the disadvantage of mean, that mean cannot be found for open-ended classes. An advantage for central tendency 2, that is median or quartile or decile, it can be found for open-ended classes. Understood this? Now, over here, frequency, Fi. How will do it? 120 minus 117. 3, 11, 10, 30, 45, 19 and 12. What's the first step? Find the cumulative frequency. 3, 14, 44, 89, 108 and 120. So n is equal to 120. In order to find median, we find the median class. Median class is equal to class of n by 2th observation is equal to class of 60th observation. Now, where will the 60 observation come over here? In 89. So 20 to 25. This is exclusive. Already exclusive. Now, median is equal to L plus n by 2 minus Cf upon f into C. So median is equal to lower limit is 20 plus n by 2 is 60 minus, this is Cf and this is f, 44 upon frequency 45 into class length is 5. 20 plus 1.77, 777, so 7, 8, which is equal to 20.8. 21.78 median. Employees are arranged from minimum to maximum. The person getting the least salary comes over here, that is rupees 5,000, and the highest 30 or more will come somewhere over here. I want to get, can I say this is top 20%? ये top 20% employees है. Say for example, I want to arrange students with minimum marks to maximum marks. तो यहाँ पे अगर 10 student है तो last 2 student, you understood this, will be over here. तो मुझे क्या चाहिए? This is my 20% employees who are rich relatively as compared to others. I want to find its lower limit. तो ये उसका lower limit है. So it is 20%. So it is either D8 or P80. 80% है ना यहाँ पे. मुझे चाहिए top 20%. तो यहाँ पे जो employee है, okay, it is the person among these 20% rich who is getting the lowest salary. You understood this? Okay, so what we have to find next is we have to find out D8 or P80. Both are the same. D8 करो या P80. You understood D8 or P80 how it is same? Because 8 parts or 100 means say 80 part. It's the same. Okay. So let's write it. To find lower limit of top 20% richest employees, we find D8 or P80. So P80 class is equal to class of 80 and by 100th observation is equal to class of 120, 12, it's a 96th observation. 80 into 120 divided by 100, which is equal to 96th observation. So यहाँ पे आएगा 108 के अंदर this one P80 class. Understood this? Okay, so P80 class is 25 to 30 already exclusive. So P80 is equal to L plus 80 n by 100 minus Cf upon F into C is equal to 25 plus 96 minus 89 upon frequency is 90 into class length is 5 is equal to 25 plus 7 into 5 upon 90. 35 by 90. 1.84, which is equal to 26.84 P80. Therefore, lower limit of top 20% richest employees is rupees 26.84 in thousands. Don't forget this, in thousands. Illustration 28, page number 95. The following table show data about monthly traveling expense in rupees in a sample of 50 local bus commuters. So monthly expenses given and number of commuters are given. Flip the page. Find the limit for expense of central 50% of the commuters. Find the minimum expense of the highest spending 15% commuters. Find the maximum expense in the lowest spending 10% computers. Monthly expense is our class 350 to 500, 500 to 650, 650 to 800, 800 to 950, and 950 and above open-ended class. Number of computers Fi 7, 13, 16, 9 and 5. Find out cumulative frequency CFI 7, 20, 36, 45, 50. N is equal to 50. Now first, we have to find limits, important. Find limits for central 50% of computers. Find limit for central 50% of computers. Now it means what? ध्यान दो. We arrange our data from minimum to maximum. This is minimum and this is maximum. Now I want central 50%. It means this is Q1, this is Q2 or median, and this is Q3. I want the limits. What is the limit for central 50%? So this is your central 50%. So I have to find out Q1 and I have to find out Q3. Understood this? सेंटर में जो 50% है उसका लिमिट फाइंड करना है कि मिनिमम कितना है और मैक्सिमम कितना है. तो उसके लिए हमें फाइंड करना पड़ेगा Q1 एंड Q3. ये डायग्राम पता चला. अच्छा, सबसे पहले पता चला कि ये ट्रायंगल क्या बनाते हैं सर. मैंने एग्जांपल दिया था तुम्हें कि तुम में से यहाँ पे वो स्टूडेंट है जिसका मिनिमम मार्क्स है. All students are standing in the line. These are the marks. So ये मिनिमम और ये मैक्सिमम. तो मुझे सेंटर मोस्ट चाहिए कि सेंटर में जो 50% स्टूडेंट्स हैं उसमें मिनिमम कितना है और मैक्सिमम कितना है. That is what we want to find out. So let's start finding out Q1 and Q3. Okay, find out Q1. Q1 class is equal to class of n by 4th observation is equal to class of 50. So 12.5th observation. किधर आएगा 12.5? यहाँ पे. So it will be 500 to 650. Exclusive. Don't forget this. So Q1 is equal to L plus n by 4 minus CF upon F into C, which is equal to, what's the lower limit? 500 plus n by 4 is 12.5 minus CF of class preceding the Q1 class is 7, frequency is 30, class length of that class is 150, which is equal to 500 plus 63.46. Therefore, Q1 is equal to 563.46. Q1 मिल गया?
Yes.
Now we have to find out Q3. Q3 class is equal to class of 3n by 4th observation equal to class of 37.5th observation. 37.5th over here, 800 to 950. Exclusive. Therefore, Q3 is equal to L plus 3 n by 4 minus CF upon F into C, which is equal to 800 plus 37.5 minus 36 upon 9 into 150 is equal to 800 plus 25, 825. Therefore, Q3 is equal to 825. Therefore, limits of central 50% commuter is 563.46 to 825. Find minimum expense of highest spending 15% commuters. Again, minimum to maximum.
Yes.
This is minimum and this is maximum or highest. Now I want to find highest spending 15%. ये minimum spending है और ये highest spending है. This is complete 100%. This is I'll say is 15%. उसका कौन सा चाहिए? Minimum expense. So I want this. So it will be P80. Understood this? Okay. Find out. P85 class is equal to class of 85 n by 100th observation is equal to class of 42.5th observation, which comes in 45. So that is 800 to 950 exclusive. P85 is equal to L plus 85 n by 100 minus CF upon F into C, which is equal to 800 plus 42.5 minus 36 upon 9 into 150. What's 8.33 is equal to 800 plus 108.33. Therefore, P85 is equal to 908.33. Therefore, minimum expense of highest spending 15% commuters is rupees 908.33. Now third, find the maximum expense in the lowest spending 10% commuters. Find the maximum expense in lowest spending 10% commuters. Now again ध्यान दो, minimum to maximum. Now I want the lowest spending 10%. तो ये lowest 10% है. This is lowest 10%. Okay, so over here this is 10%. I want the highest spending. So this is D1 or P10. D1 or P10. Understood? Okay, let's find out. D1 class is equal to class of n by 10th observation. Now you are able to understand this ki total number divided by 10. So that is 10%. Understood this? Into 10 by 100, which is 1 by 10. So is equal to class of 5th observation, which is equal to 350 to 500 exclusive. Therefore, D1 is equal to L plus n by 10 minus CF upon F into C is equal to 350 plus 5 minus what? कुछ भी है नहीं, so 5 minus 0 upon 7 into 150. 350 plus 10 14 के बाद क्या होगा? 2. Okay. Therefore, D1 is equal to 457.14. Therefore, maximum expense in lowest spending 10% computers is rupees 457.14.